Have you ever seen a film called The Matrix?
All set!
Thank God.
Hey, can I get that for you, Ari? Let me get that for you.
Yes, no, whatever. Come on, Liam.
So, how long have you guys worked for Oscar?
We don't work for him. We work with him, like freelance.
So you guys must really like working for him. With him.
Nope, we don't. We just like eating and paying rent.
So, it's just a temporary thing.
Right. I guess it doesn't feel like it sometimes. Anymore.
Well, that sucks. I've got it all figured out. I'm gonna find like one production crew and just try and stick with them for like a year, maybe. Yeah, I could do a year. And then I'm basically just gonna wait everyone else out. Do you wanna get high and make out?
You think, wow.
Oh, fuck.
You think, huh? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
And just like that. Okay. Thanks, Liam. I gotta go. You think I should get out of this city more? You think, where is he? What is he doing? You think I am so high. You think nature is really big. You make a list of your 3 favorite parts of his body. You think I should go swimming? No, I shouldn't. You think maybe I'll just...
You think, Sam, what are you doing?
What's up?
We had a thought. It was just a thought. It's totally up to you, Lisa.
Okay.
There's this party tonight. It's in Manhattan. It's a monthly thing, but we only go maybe 3 times a year. For a laugh. It's just for fun. Because it's hilarious. And we get paid. Like, super paid. Which is the point.
I'm listening.